Hi, I'm Div Harish from Lodestar Sensors. As you know, Lodestar is a leader in building capacitive sensors with digital outputs. I am here today to tell you about our latest innovation in the area of level measurements, fluid level measurements. So we have developed this capacitive level sensor which works similar to our other capacitive force sensors and so forth, in the sense that when a force is applied, the capacitance changes. You measure the signal and convert it into a USB or a wireless output. The same principle applies here. This also is a capacitive level sensor, but in this case the capacitance changes when the tube, the sensor tube here, basically is dipped into water, or the water around the tube rises to a different level. In this particular case, the capacitance change is induced by the change in the dielectric properties of the medium surrounding the capacitor. So as I dip the tube in, the capacitance increases, and the increase in capacitance is measured by the electronics, the measurement electronics right on top of the sensor, and out comes a frequency output that you can see goes into this interface device here. So if you are an OEM customer, you can work directly with the frequency output, which is proportional to the level of the fluid in the tank. Alternatively, you can work with our DQ1000U or DQ1000A digital interface, which either gives you a USB output or a wireless output or analog 0 to 5 volt output. So very flexible interface to give you whatever kind of interface works best for your application. In this particular instance, we are working with a USB output device. So the sensor output is being converted by this interface into a USB output. The computer's USB port is providing all the power that is needed to power the sensor. And then on this computer here, we have a software called a level view software that takes the information sent by the sensor and displays it on the computer screen as a number, an actual 100 millimeters of liquid level, for example. It can also plot this data as well as chart the data. Furthermore, the software allows you to actually set alarm limits. So if the level in the tank falls below a certain level, you can make the software send out an SMS message or an email message to an appropriate person. So what we have basically developed here is a digital level sensing solution based on capacitive principles. The capacitive sensor can provide frequency, voltage, or USB output. You can also make it wireless using our wireless interface options, and then use it on a PC or any other kind of computing device which can work with a USB output, for example, or a Zigbee wireless output.